This is Shimmer, my canary, the one that I hand fed from 2 days old. You'll see in my other videos. She is now about 9-10 months old. Well, she'll be a year in June. She's so beautiful. I'm going to let her out. This is her cage. You want to come out, girl? Hi, Shimmer. Hi, girl. She flies to my shoulder and my head, but she doesn't like to sit on my hands. So she thinks I'm going to put her in the cage. Hey, Shimmer. This is her favorite swing. She sits on that. She's so cute. She swings back and forth. You gonna come out? You wanna come out? Yeah. Come on. Where are you? You're hiding? You gonna come out? Her mother's right beside her. There's Autumn. And Shimmer's in the middle, and her father's right beside her. It's Banana. Oh, she came out. See if I can find her. There she is. Hey, Shimmer. Okay. And she gets let out every day for a fly. And she goes back in her cage by herself. Here she's on my shoulder. Hi, baby. Let's see if I can do this. She is. Okay, come on. And there she goes. You want your dad out? Okay. Time to let out the daddy. Come on, Banana. Hi, Banana. Want to come out? Come on. Oh, there he goes. There he is. Go see your father. Okay, let's let the mother out now. Come on, Autumn. Time for you to come out, too. She's missing a few feathers because she plucked herself to make a nest. Come on, Autumn. Come on. And she's going to get a new cage soon, too, just like these two. Probably tomorrow or next weekend. And Shimmer's on my shoulder. Where are you, girl? Hi. There she is. There's Shimmer. There goes Banana. Oh, there we go. There's the mother and father. Hi, Shimmer. And those are my ninnies down there. There's 2 in each cage. They're going to come out too. That's my Lily and Canary corner. And on this corner, or wall, my board are on the left, the cockatiels in the middle, and the budgies on the right. And they all come out and have fun up there. There goes Shimmer. Hi, Shimmer. Goodbye, everybody.